I get it, I get it. You've been on here so much now? God.
But we're going to move again quickly through things here, okay? Let's be buzzing. This is our last session for Monday morning, yeah?
Sure.
Monday evening, yeah? All right, let's put it in there, okay? Hard work on three. 1, 2, 3.
Hard work!
Once the ball is in here, everything's tight, okay? I know my options here. I can see this, okay? I can see this. Can I get up and look for the farther one? Kyle Richards, Evo. That's the important one that you gotta play. I know you can play short, but can you spring it so then we can get out of trouble? Play.
Lead! Touch it in! Touch it in! Woo! 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 Hey! Hayden, well done, dude. Tackle. Hey! 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 Turn. Relax. Hey, together! Together! Hey, hey, behind you! Behind you! Leave it! Hey, this way! This way! Hey, if you don't have anybody, like I saw you on that one right there, you didn't really have anybody, so just try to clip it in. It's not a bad idea, just find the space. If you can't find any people, find the space, you know what I mean? That's the next best thing. Good, Kyle. Guys, we need to relax. Hey, relax! Doesn't have to be so hectic. That started with me, my bad. Come on! Come on, Kyle! Higher, Ryan! Tackle. Good, Ryan. It's fine. Ah! Guys, we need to, hey, we just need to find a way to make sure when we're not playing well, it doesn't last for long periods of time. So when we break that, when we're having spells, we have to shorten those spells. It's okay that we have them, we just have to shorten them. Yeah, exactly. When we're on defense, we have to pinch up behind each other.
We gotta communicate.
Yeah, we're too spread out. Hey! Me! Yo! Yo! Hey! Soccer. It's been a hell of a training session. Coming to you live from the IPF. We got Kane Underwood. We got Mike Desidero.
You ask me a question, am I just standing here for nothing?
You don't have me. What's my name?
That's the most important thing.
Oh, Big Bang, take little bang. Big Bang, take little bang.
That's all it is right there.
Bang,
that's all it is. That's how we do it.
bang.
Yeah. We always look good doing it.